So anytime before we start reading a book, we always take a look at the cover to predict what we think the book might be about. So as I'm looking at this, I notice that there is a dragon. He's laying on his back, and he has lots and lots of what look like tacos around him. And I wonder why there's so many in his mouth, why there's so many on his belly. I also see what looks like to be different dragons flying around. So this is called Dragons Love Tacos. This is actually really fun for adults as well as kids. You could see, that looks like one very special taco. And here we see the taco cave, and I wonder why there is a taco cave. So we start out and it looks like we're talking to these people in a bedroom, and it says, "Hey kid, did you know that dragons love tacos? They love beef tacos and chicken tacos. They love really big, gigantic tacos and tiny, tiny little baby tacos as well." Did you know that dragons love tacos? I had no idea. I wonder what they're cooking. But wait, as much as dragons love tacos, they hate spicy salsa even more. They hate spicy green salsa and spicy red salsa. They hate spicy chunky salsa and spicy smooth salsa. If the salsa is spicy at all, the dragons cannot stand it. Oh no, what's happening? What's coming out of his ears? Why do dragons hate spicy salsa? Well, just one drop of hot sauce makes a dragon's ears smoke. So that must have been what's happening. He had a drop of hot sauce. What's happening to him? Just one single speck of hot pepper makes a dragon snort sparks, like he's snorting sparks. Spicy salsa gives dragons the tummy troubles. And when dragons get the tummy troubles, oh boy, I wonder what happens when they get the tummy troubles. Dragons, listen to me. Do not eat those tacos. Those little green specks in the salsa, those are jalapeno peppers. They are super spicy. I know you love tacos, dragons, but you are not going to love those tacos. Look at the extra big words telling us it's super exciting. Do not let the dragons eat these tacos. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Oh no, are they still eating it? What do you think will happen next? Oh no! What happened? Psh, psh, psh. What are all the dragons doing? Oh no, there's fire coming out everywhere. Uh-oh, what happened to the house? It's even coming out of his nose. Because after all, dragons love tacos. So now our challenge is that we are going to create our own dragons. So I want you to really think about where you live and what would a dragon need to be successful where you live?
Yeah, think about a dragon that evolved in the city of Chicago. It might be gray, it might have small wingspan so it doesn't get detected, versus a dragon that evolved in the mountains where it could be green, it would have large wingspans. So these are things we want you to think about as you create your dragon based on where you live.
So what we've done is if you go to our site, we have some links in the description.
Yeah, on the YouTube description, we have a link to this document, which is a graphic organizer. And if you can't write, you could have your parent write the descriptions, what you say. So what the first column is what you want to think about, and write down bullet points of what adaptations does your dragon have based on the environment it lives in. And then the middle is, if it has these predators, how is it evading these predators? How is it not getting eaten? And then, all dragons need to eat, so you're gonna look at where does it find its food? And then you'll get this next document on the description, and here's where you're gonna draw your dragon. After you put all the information together, what would it look like capturing and eating its most delicious prey, fighting and defending against predators, and then how it has adapted to its living conditions.
And then this is something you could draw, you could make it out of clay, you could create it out of anything you can think of, and really see what kind of dragon you are creating based on what you're thinking about from where you are.
We would love for you to share your dragons with us on Facebook and on Instagram.